Hello again to all our viewers and subscribers. We really appreciate you tuning in today. We know you'll love this week's feature car. We spotted it at the recent San Marino Motor Classic held this past summer in Southern California. It's a 1972 Plymouth LA County Sheriff's car. Owner Dan Gold will tell you the story of this full-sized crime-fighting partner for law enforcement officers around the City of Angels. Dan belongs to a large group of people who really have a passion for ex-police cars of all types, and they really like to support the local charity shows and attend other events all over Southern California. You'll love this feature, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Now, let's go for a ride.
Hi, my name's Dan Gold, and this is a 1972 Plymouth Satellite, and it's set up as a Los Angeles County Sheriff's vehicle. The 71 Satellite was actually the first car in the U.S. to have the light bar on it, and this is the 72 version. The accessories on here were provided in cooperation with the Sheriff's Museum. Accuracy has been an important feature of doing the car, from the hand-painted unit numbers that were done by mechanics and inmates at the time to the spotlights and push bumpers, which were also made by inmates at the time. Wow. There's quite a few of us here with cars, and the goal is absolutely authenticity, and to make sure that they are correct in their presentation. A lot of these cars are used for funerals of retired officers, and the term we use is honor car, and so it's the importance is to make sure that they're accurate for their period of time.
Neat. And how long have you had it?
It took me 5 years to get it to the point that you see right now, and I've had it for about 6 years. So it's been finished or near finished, for about a year now.
That's very cool. Are you a retired officer too?
I was a policeman out here in this county and lateral left San Bernardino County, and just about every car here is a former policeman's as well. We have the passion for what we're doing, and it shows in how we present the cars. Yeah.
It really does.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for
appreciate it.
Well, what do you guys think of Dan's awesome police cruiser? Do you remember when these were seen and used by police and fire departments all over the country? Well, we're old enough to recall ththose glory days of full-sized, big-block-powered emergency vehicles. Let us know in the comments whether you have any memories of a now-vintage police car. Maybe your dad was a cop, maybe you'd see them on the streets of your local town or city, or maybe you rode in one as a ride-along. That could make for some fun comments. Next Friday, join us again as we bring you all the details of the recent Run to the Sun charity car show held in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. It was a great show, and the local car club, Relics and Rods, has been putting it on for 45 years now. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and remember, please be careful out there.